Hi, it's Michael Gaffney. I'm here today from the American School of Flower Design. I have design schools, flower design schools all over the country and in Paris, London, and Rome. If you want to know where to take classes, come to my website, flowerschool101.com. If you don't have time for classes, that's why I'm here today. I'm going to introduce you to a product that I invented called Flower Crazy. If you're crazy about flowers, get a box. What comes in the box? A container, either a cylinder or a cube, right there. You can order either one. I've sold these on QVC several times. And what Flower Crazy does is automatically designs your flowers for you. So if you can't make it to class, just get Flower Crazy. Perfect flowers every time. It's revolutionary. No one's done this before. I'm the only one. It's patented. This was the Flower Crazy design that I just did. Beautiful. That turned out really well. I did it in like 5 minutes. Perfect wedding design. If you're doing your own wedding, there you have it. It's already done. Take you about 10 minutes to do it. You can order the flowers from me direct. I'll send them in boxes to you. You're going to spray it with Crowning Glory, my magic sealant. You're going to design these on Wednesday and be done in plenty of time for the wedding on Saturday. Yes, design your weddings on Wednesday. Finish on Thursday, spray them. You can't kill my bouquet. So that's what we did earlier. I'm going to set it off to the side. And we're going to start a new one, a new design with Flower Crazy. What comes in the box? A cylinder or a cube. You can order either one. And you get 3 lids. Inside the box, you also get this recipe guide that'll give you like 12 different styles of flowers to do. It has all the recipes you need for contemporary designs to more traditional. There's all orchids. There's baby's breath and roses. There's all calla lilies and china grass. There is all rose bouquet, probably one of the most popular ones. They're all provided in this catalog, this book. Oh, there's the one I just did. Look at that. They're all provided in this a recipe book you get. It's like a cooking, just like cooking, only easier. So now, I'm going to do another design with my Flower Crazy. I'm going to fill it up with water. I'm going to take a lid, choose one of the lids. They come in 3 different sizes. You get 3 different lids. Big stems, medium stems, small stems. Today I'm going to be using some bigger stems. We're going to do like a little millennial vibe. You know those millennials, they love their greens. So I'm going to clean off the bottom and look, boom. Flower Crazy holds every flower and every stem in perfect position to form the round dome. I'm just going to pick up, we're going to do a little millennial vibe. Make sure you clean off those bottoms. And we're going to stick some loose greens in here. Because I'm using Flower Crazy, I know it's based on math and science. It's going to turn out every time. All I do is find a hole and plug a hole. Here's some eucalyptus. Putting in pieces of eucalyptus. So I'm just kind of mixing it up. You can literally go in your backyard and probably cut some of the bushes out of your backyard. This Flower Crazy will make it perfect every time. So I'm just making a nice green collection of mixed greens. I've got some eucalyptus down here, seeded euc, or silver dahlia euc, everybody loves. I'm using a knife. You should use a clipper or a scissors because you'll cut yourself. So I'm just funneling in some greens. Flower Crazy is beveled. The whole secret is they're beveled. The holes are beveled. So you hold your flowers perfectly in place. No matter where you stick it, it'll turn out. If you're doing your own wedding, you can do one of these centerpieces in 10 minutes. And have your whole wedding DIY, do it yourself. But you see how Flower Crazy holds everything perfectly in place. Nice round dome. That's the look you want. All centerpieces are round, by the way. There's no such thing as a one-sided centerpiece because the term comes from center. So, now look, here's the secret of hydrangea. Everything is cut about the same length, about 9 inches. Find a hole and plug it in the hole. Alum powder, A-L-U-M. Cut your hydrangeas when you get them. Drop them in a vase filled with water and alum powder and let them sit there for like 2 hours. And instead of your hydrangeas dying in 20 minutes like they're famous for, they will last you for days, if not weeks. I've got some roses to add. Again, 9 inches long, no guessing. Flower crazy takes the guesswork out of arranging flowers. Everything is 9 inches long. Put them on the side. I call it upper penthouse, upper deck, lower deck. If you're gonna look like a designer came by your house, you're gonna put them in all the decks. Upper deck, lower deck, and penthouse. Spread the wealth around. I found some Asiatic lilies. Now these are tight. They're gonna open up in a few days and occupy that whole space right there with big, gorgeous, white Asiatic lilies. There you go. Now we're cooking. If you've been to my school, you know that I like fillers and wax flowers in everything. It fixes any last remaining holes you might have. It's like adding more flowers, but it's only adding some filler. So, now I'm going to spray with Crowning Glory. This thing will last 2 weeks. This is the magic sealant I talk about. And remember, when you use Crowning Glory, I mix it half and half with water. Half Crowning Glory, half water. So there's our millennial vibe happening for the day with Flower Crazy. It's right here. Michael Gaffney. For more information, go to flowerschool101.com.